Hello, my name is Stephanie Coelho. I am a Fisher employee and a CLC alumni. CLC helped me shape my path forward by providing one of the programs, that being the CLC Scholars Program. I met like-minded students and professors that made an impact personally, and I still keep in touch with them. CLC helped me feel prepared for the next step. I was having the system with academic counselors being in my end, being proactive and reaching out and going throughout the whole process early on, as well with having that support system, which was really helpful. CLC helped me feel prepared to transition to Lake Forest College. It felt very natural, as I wanted to be in small classes and I wanted that same environment, as well as receiving a Shiver Scholarship that will cover my full 2 years. By joining the CLC Scholars, that pushed me out of my comfort zone, and needing to apply for a student job helped me have that hands-on experience in marketing related. So that was very helpful stepping into a professional role. They were developing the CLC new website, so I was working back end, designing templates for promotional items for the CLC staff. At Fisher, currently they're developing their new website, so I am assisting with that. I worked on storyboarding like a month ago, and it was cool to see it to life on Studio and Assist, working alongside my peers. My skill set has evolved since CLC. Working at the student job helped me, by being in that setting, helped me take initiative. Transitioning to Fisher, it has the same environment. They're very open and really helpful. This fall, I was studying abroad, which I'm really excited for. Long term, I would like to work in creative roles, and specifically in international settings, and I will still like to continue my education and stay curious and just expand my knowledge and be open to new opportunities that come my way.